Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I have a package here from Fancy Budgeting. I have no idea what's in here. This is PR that was sent to me. These are new items that they have released, so let's just dive in and check it out. It's been a while since we did an unboxing over here. So I am excited to see what this is. All right, before we dig in, make sure you stay through the whole video. I do have some special discount codes that I will share with you at the end, but their stuff always comes packaged so nicely. Love the black confetti. I wish there was something I could do with this creatively, but I don't know what I could do with it. Let's see, let's dig in. Ooh. Let's see what's in here because I want to see. This box is wow. Their stuff is so nice. Let's take everything out. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. This is perfect for Kwanzaa. Okay. I'm already excited. And a lot of these are, wow, we got refills for the pens. Wow, really good quality. I'm already thinking, can I make a journal to fit in the box? Maybe. Okay. So this is everything. I think this is everything from the Tandem collection. Let me separate everything into the individual packs so that you can get a better idea. Okay, so I've got everything separated. This is a lot and it is really nice. So I got to see everything while I was breaking it apart. All right, so this box launches Friday, January 5th at 10 a.m. Let's go through the packs. So this, I'm going to go through this pack last. So this is Tandem Pack 1, and this is what comes with it. So we get this beautiful washi. It's foiled, black and gold foil. Get this page flag sticker sheet. The day of the week stickers. So you can put the week of, then you have Monday through Saturday in black. That black and gold, yep. Then this is the yellow or gold and black. I like that these are the initials. They are kiss cut. Those are nice. So there's that. Then we have some deco. These gold roses. Look at that. These are gonna go perfect on my spread. Oh, I'm ready to use them already. There's some more. These are like corner roses, so you can put them in the corners of your spread. These are boxes, deco boxes in different shapes, but they have the gold glitter lines. Hopefully you can see all that detail. And these are the rectangular version. And this seems like it has a gloss when I look at it on my viewfinder, but it feels matte. It's like a semi-gloss maybe, or a luxe feel to it. So it's still matte though, because the printed area looks matte. Then we have this fashion-inspired deco. And then we have some dolls, looky looky, in the black and gold. All right, oh. Got 2 sheets of them. And then some more boxes. Appointment, important, deadline, meeting, intentions, reminder, priority, credit score, measurements, headers. Some bow deco. More boxes, functional boxes. This looks like some, yep, washi strips. And those are 3 individual pieces. And then this also has the sticky notes. So I separated these out, but I don't know if I did it right. This has the sticky notes and the 6x6 notepad. So all of that is Tandem Pack 1. Yes. So that's number 1. That's a lot. This is number 2 with this red washi with the gold foil. Then we have the red page flags, the day of the week stickers in black and red, red and white. Let's go through all the stickers together. So we got the red roses with the gold glitter edging. You see that? These are really, really nice stickers. Look at that. There's the corner roses. These will be great for Valentine's Day too. The different shape boxes with the glitter frames. And the red roses. Here are the rectangular boxes. Ooh, yep, this is deco. Definitely Valentine's inspired, but fashion as well. And these are the dolls. You know you're always going to get me with the holiday inspired whatever. Because I love to decorate for my planner for the holidays because I don't do it in my house. So it all has to go in the planner. And there's those boxes. Then this one also includes, so we got the washi tape and then the sticky notes and the notepad. So this is 2x2, 3x3, and then 6x6. Really, really nice. Okay. So that was Tandem 2. The next one is Tandem 3. Yes. So this is the Tandem 3 pack. Washi tape. So they're just different colorways, but it makes a huge difference. I love the green. Okay. Then this is like a brown color. And then green. These are, I hope they come out with some black roses like this. These are really, really beautiful. These would be great for March. And again, all of this would work for Juneteenth. It will work for just a whole bunch of different things. Black History Month, the color schemes would be great for those. Let's put these over here. So there's those green roses, the corner roses, shaped glitter boxes, rectangular ones, the animal print. Now there was a time that I didn't like animal print, but since I've been doing planner stuff, it has grown on me. These are really nice. So you got the fashion deco stickers in the animal print. And then here we go with the green and animal print. Okay, so the animal print is why we had the brown days of the week. Now it makes more sense. Okay, so look at that. There we go. Fashion ladies. Then we got the headers and the boxes and the bow deco. And more boxes with the strips in the same colorway. So that is Tandem 3. Also includes the 2x2, 3x3, and the 6x6. These are fantastic. Okay. Make sure you check out my next decorating session because I will be using this in that. Okay. So these are the Tandem packs. This is how they come. Then there is the Tandem box. The box includes all 3 packs plus what I'm about to show you. Okay. So you can buy these individually, however you want. All right. But then there is also the box that comes with all of this plus this. So in the Tandem pack, you get the keepsake box. that I showed you that I swooned over, which is this. This is the keepsake box. And this is real, you know, a lot of places say, oh, it's a keepsake box. No, this is a keepsake box for sure. It's, yeah, I've never received a box like that I can remember. All right, so you get the tandem packs, 1, 2, and 3, plus the additionals. And these are the additionals. So you get more page flags. You get the brown and the black. You get another weekly header in black and white. You get the pen. Am I showing you all? Because I'm just in disbelief here. And you get the refills. Very important. You get the savings card. So this is like a savings game that you can play. I don't know how to play it, but it has scratch off things going on here. It's worth checking into if you're into budgeting and saving. Then let's see what this is. I think I know, but let's open it up. This is unbelievable. Okay. All right. This is a Fancy Lux calculator with acrylic stand. Wow. Let's take the packaging off. Ooh, it's even got the little, I don't know, feet to keep it from sliding. And then I guess this is the calculator. I'm not going to turn it. Oh my goodness. Look at that. So this is all in the tandem box. It's worth it. You get all of this in the tandem box. But again, you can buy the 3 packs individually. OMG. Look at that. And it's got the fancy. I already turned it on. Let's turn it off. It works. It feels really, really nice. Oh, that is gorgeous. It's really pretty. That's what it looks like. I don't want to show too much because it's like a mirror. And my hair is not done. Okay. That is what it looks like. Let's see. Oh, and it sits on there like so. Let's turn it on. Okay, it works great. Wow. So is it solar or battery powered? I'm guessing it's solar because it's got this space right here. I don't know. That is, yeah, that's nice. So if you have a fancy desk, which I do not, but I'm thinking of setting up somewhere, that is, wow. Okay. I'm going to move that over because of the glare, but that is what you get in the tandem box. So everything in the tandem box, then these individually. That's really nice. And I'm excited to use this because I'm getting ready to dive into using it right now for another video. Make sure you check out the other video. I'll try to remember to come back and link it below once I publish it. But make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications. That way you won't miss it. All of this, the tandem box and the individual packs will be available Friday, January 5th, 2024. Now, if you purchase anything from the site, you can use my code Rachelle25. I'll put it on the screen for you so you can make sure you have the correct spelling, and I will put the information in the description box below so you can check there as well. Then after that initial release sale with the 25% off, my code will be Rachelle10. So if you really want to get any of this, make sure you grab it on the 5th, 6th, or 7th to get that 25% off. All that information will be in the description box below. I am excited to use these. These are really nice, and you can use these all year long. The color schemes are great. I think this is a totally great idea. Yeah. All right. So let me stop yakking about it so I can go work on my Kwanzaa spread using the fancy budgeting stickers and washi tape and everything. All right. Let me know what you think about this. This is so different from anything I've seen in the planner community in a while. It's exciting and new, and I'm just happy to be able to share it with you. Again, let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you going to be picking up any part of this or the whole box even? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.